Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here we are in the kitchen again. Before I start this video, I just want to take time to give a big thanks to all of our subscribers. Really appreciate you guys and gals out there that take time to subscribe to the channel, comment on some of the videos, and follow the channel. So really appreciate that. So for those of you who actually do follow the channel and subscribe to it, recently we just did some turkey breast on our Legacy rotisserie. So today I am going to go ahead and do a pork loin roast. Now this is just under 4 pounds, and basically I'm going to use pretty much the same seasoning as I did with the turkey breast, except I won't be using the black pepper or garlic because with the Montreal steak seasoning, it's got both of those ingredients in it. And then again, I'm going to use the sweet and smoky rub. This stuff's really good on about anything. And then of course, I've always got my Morton seasonal that I'm going to mix, and our homegrown basil. Now, I've had this pork roast probably, it's almost like the chicken, or not the chicken, but the turkey breast that we did. So it's marinated almost 21 hours overnights and today. So this will get on our rotisserie here in a little bit, and then I'll get it set up again in our Legacy air fryer oven. That turkey breast turned out really good, and I was going to get a regular pork loin, but I didn't like the size. They didn't have any of the right size, so I went ahead and got the pork loin roast, which basically to me is about the same. I got a lot of the fat cut off of it, so it'll be a lot leaner and everything. So here in a little bit we'll get this all set up, and we'll see if this turns out as good as that turkey breast did last Sunday. So again, appreciate all of our subscribers for hanging out with us, and anyone new that comes along this video, by all means subscribe to our channel and join the rest of the crew. So we'll get this rolling a little bit and see how this one turns out. Okay, so I've got everything set up. We've got our loin roast in there and the rotisserie set up. So on this, since I haven't done this before, I'm thinking my time is going to be probably right at an hour. May have to kind of adjust it as it goes, but I'm going to set the temperature at 350, do it for an hour, and then I'll check it with my instant read thermometer. Mainly for your pork loin roast, stuff like that, they want an internal temperature of 165 or 170 for well done. So I'm looking for probably right at 165 on this. And I think an hour will be long enough, but like I said, I may have to adjust it a little bit longer. So I'm going to fire this thing up here in a little bit, and we'll see how this one turns out. So stay with us and see how our pork loin roast goes. Okay everyone, so I've got the pork roast set up on the rotisserie in our Legacy oven. So I'm probably going to set the time for an hour. Going to do the heat for 350. I may have to adjust my time just a little bit. Haven't done one of these before, but I'm pretty sure 350 will be a good temperature for it. And then I'll take my instant read thermometer and check it later on to make sure I've got an internal temperature between 165 and 170. As far as my thermometer, it shows your well done pork for about 170, 165, 170. So anyway, I'll check it a little bit later on and see where our temperature is, and this should turn out pretty good. One thing I gotta say, the longer you can marinate your meat that you're cooking, the better. And this one's marinated for probably about 22 hours. So I think everything's soaked in really well. So here in a little bit, we'll see how this one turns out. So stick with us and we'll talk to you later. Okay everybody, so this pork loin turned out really good. Man, it is nice and brown all the way around. So The Legacy air fryer with the rotisserie works really good, not only on the turkey breast we did last week, but this loin roast looks really good too. So I'll probably take and I'll cut half of this roast in half, and I'll go ahead and make pulled pork out of that tomorrow night probably. We'll try some of it tonight as it is, and then the other half I'll freeze for later on down the road. But I am 100% happy with the way this turned out. Now I did have to adjust the time to 7 more minutes, so it was 1 hour and 7 minutes, and we reached our internal temperature of 170 degrees. So definitely anytime you're doing any kind of poultry or big meat like this, get you a instant read thermometer, because it makes a huge difference. You always know that everything's cooked fully in the center and you don't have to worry about nothing. So hope everyone enjoyed this video, and if you ever get a chance to try an air fryer oven, by all means, there's tons of them out there, and just pick out one that you like and do a little research on them, and you'll enjoy cooking with them. We're definitely having fun with the Legacy. So I'm Kevin, and I hope everybody has a great evening, and we will talk to y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.